Traditionally, triboelectric detection is seen as an alternative to visual or optical emissions monitoring solutions. Continuous opacity monitoring was a simple tool. Either you can see the emissions or you can't. Things were good or they were bad. Early triboelectric devices provided much the same result, but the technology has advanced in ways many don't realize. Today, triboelectric particulate monitoring provides incredible predictive insights. Here's what we mean. Digital signal processing and recent advances which combine both the AC and DC signal spectrums in single detection devices provide incredible sensitivity. Able to detect concentrations as low as 0.005 milligrams per cubic meter, DSP-style detectors provide reliable and repeatable signals with robust resistance to electrical interference. Okay, you say, you're sensitive, but how does that help me? Good question, and here's where it gets interesting. When you use a triboelectric detector for continuous monitoring, you can set various thresholds for notification. So, for instance, you know what the normal baseline signal of your main stack typically is. You can filter for predictable peaks, such as cleaning pulses, and establish very conservative alarm or event thresholds, which are well below any reportable limits. And then you sit back and track the trend. When it starts to creep up, there's a reason. There's a latent problem which hasn't fully developed, but is gradually deteriorating. And with an array of detectors, not only do you get early warning, but you give maintenance and engineering the data to quickly isolate the problem and solve it. Depending on the style of baghouse, they can track the change down to the compartment level or even the individual row of bags and go to work diagnosing and fixing a minor issue before a larger event occurs. This saves cleanup, remediation, shutdown, and reporting hassles. And this technique can be used to reduce routine baghouse maintenance cost by monitoring filter performance to indicate when to change the filter media as needed, not according to the calendar. That's predictive monitoring. It's great for operations and maintenance, but it takes great detection to successfully implement.